All right, let's talk about some transformations when it comes to exponential functions. And this one, we have sort of like the basic function for exponentials. This is called the parent function. And so let's say that you're given not another f of x, but a g of x, and you're given a negative 2 to the x power. Well, when you see that, think about the only difference between these two. Obviously, one is f of x and one is g of x. Think of that as just saying, here's one function. Now, we changed it a little bit. Now, here's the new function. So that's what g of x means. Your focus needs to be on the other side of that. So if it was 2 of x and now it's negative 2 of x, the negative in front is what I think of it as, right after that equal sign, but not in the exponent, but down here with this base sort of. That just means it's going to be a reflection. It's going to flip it over the x-axis. So reflection over the x-axis. And as far as like what the graph is going to look like, this is going to, let me see if I can make this smaller. Essentially, it's going to take it over that x-axis just like it sounds. And, we'll pretend that I can draw here. Not that I really can. So it's going to just kind of go like this. It's just going to be a mirror image. It's just going to be an image, across that x-axis of reflection. So that x right there is what that references when it says that. That's it. All right, we'll do some more. I'll see you in the next one.